Hi, writers. Today I want to teach you that one thing that opinion writers do is that they elaborate, they say more to prove their opinion. So today I want to show you that we can take our letter that we started and add more sections to it to prove our opinion to our readers. You may think of different things that you can say to make your opinion stronger. Maybe you could tell your favorite part of the story. Maybe you could talk about some of the lessons that you learned in the story. Maybe you can talk about how the pictures make the book really enjoyable. I'm going to touch and tell across pages the different parts or sections I want to include in my opinion writing piece. This page is going to be me talking about my favorite part of the story. This page is going to be me talking about the lessons that I learned. And this final section is going to be talking about pictures that made me like the story. So when I think about what I want to say about my favorite part of the story, I was thinking about that time when Bean threw those worms at Nancy. That was a really good part. So this section is going to say, my favorite part of Ivy and Bean was when Bean threw worms at Nancy. Then I'm going to turn the page and write my section about lessons. I think Bean learned a lesson that you shouldn't judge somebody before you get to know them, because at first she didn't want to be Ivy's friend because she thought she was boring. So I'm going to write, Bean learned that you shouldn't judge someone before you get to know them. Now, my third section, I think I'm going to talk about how the pictures really made me like the book. The pictures in Ivy and Bean are really funny. There's one picture of Bean standing on her head. Writers, did you see how I thought of 3 different parts that I could put in my letter to really show my readers what my opinion was? I have a part about my favorite part of the story. I have a section about the lesson, and I have another section about pictures. So take out your writing packets, touch and tell across pages, and let's think about ways that we can elaborate and say more about our opinion. Try to put at least 2 new sections in your book today. You could do a favorite part, a lesson, or a picture. Don't forget, writers have to elaborate. They say more to prove their opinion. Get writing, and bye for now.